So hey guys, welcome back to another series of backtracking, and in this video we're going to see another question of backtracking, and that is solving a Sudoku. Okay, so let me first define you that what is a Sudoku. So Sudoku is a 9x9 board in which, a 9x9 board in which there are nine 3x3 small boxes in which there are numbers from 1 to 9, and we have to fill all the unfilled places from 1 to 9. Okay, and we are having three conditions here. That number should not be in the same box, should not be in the same row, and should not be in the same column. Okay, suppose we have to fill here 2 in the first. Okay, so let us suppose हमें यहाँ पे 2 fill करने हैं. ठीक है, then 2 should not be in this box, in this cell, and in this column. Also 2 should not present in this row. And if these three conditions satisfies, then we can say that we can fill 2 here. Okay, so yeah, मेरा basic Sudoku का मतलब है. Okay, so let us see that how we can solve this by backtracking. So here is a slight glimpse of the algorithm. So let us read this first. First, find that is there any empty position in the board. If there is not an empty position in the board, then we can return true that Sudoku is already filled, and we will just print the Sudoku. Okay, if any empty position is not found, then we will proceed in our Sudoku and solve that. We will check that from we will start exploring from position 1 to 9. So each position from number 1 to 9, that number should not be present in the cell, column, or row. And if that returns true, then that means that we found a Sudoku. And if that returns false, then it means that we have to backtrack, and again we have to place different numbers there and find a suitable solution. Okay, so ये तो कंफर्म है कि solution तो आएगा ही आएगा, and return false कभी आएगा नहीं इसमें. return मतलब false जब आएगा तो backtrack करेंगे. Okay, ताकि end में मेरा return true आए and हमें Sudoku मिल जाए, because solution तो मिलना ही है, right? So let us see that how to code this. एंड यार इसको स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लेना, तुम्हें हेल्प करेगा बाद में. Okay, so let us dive into the code, and we will give input in strings. Okay, so let me give you an output of the input. So our input is this Sudoku. Okay, and this Sudoku is in strings, and this is our output. You can see that zero defines that the position there is an unfilled position. Also, 0 signifies that these positions are empty, and we have to fill those positions. And this is our final outcome, a solved Sudoku. Okay, so let us see that how to code this. Okay, so let us start from the main function. So we have defined n as 9 and above. Okay, so let us dive into the main function. We will first make a grid, a matrix, n cross n matrix, and we'll make a for loop from 0 to n, and we will enter the strings. Okay, and a string को हम integer में convert कर लेंगे by subtracting 0 character 0. ये एक तरीके की टाइप कास्टिंग समझ लो यार. ओके, हम स्ट्रिंग को इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, कैरेक्टर को इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इंटीजर बन जाए, राइट. सो यहाँ तक हमने अपना Sudoku एंटर कर लिया. ओके, एंड देन वी विल कॉल अ सॉल्व Sudoku फंक्शन, एंड आफ्टर द Sudoku इज सॉल्व्ड वी विल जस्ट प्रिंट आवर Sudoku. ओके, सो लेट अस सी दैट हाउ आवर Sudoku इज सॉल्व्ड. तो सॉल्व Sudoku फंक्शन में जाते हैं. Okay, so this is our solve Sudoku function, right? Here we are just declaring rows and columns, and we are just finding that if any position is empty, okay, if any of the position is empty, then not empty, then we are returning true. As I just state that अगर कोई position खाली नहीं होगी तो sudoku भरेगा, sudoku तो already filled है, then we will return true from that. And if position is not empty, then let us see that what is this function is doing. Find empty position, create row and column. So this is a function. Okay, so this function is basically what it's doing. It is traversing the whole matrix, and if 0th position is found, then it reassigns rows and columns to that position. Okay, so imagine that you are having a Sudoku, and in the second row and third column you found a 0. Okay, then you will mark that position as current position by assigning their rows and column values, and वही हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Okay, हमें कोई 0 मिल रहा है तो हम उसकी पोजीशन असाइन कर रहे हैं कि हम उस पोजीशन से चेक करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, हम 0 मिल गया मतलब उस पोजीशन पे हम नंबर्स रख के देखेंगे कि फिल कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो हमने रो एंड कॉलम को पोजीशन दे दी and return true if any 0 is present, and if any 0 is not present then we return false. ठीक है, रिटर्न फॉल्स का अगर हमारा रिटर्न फॉल्स हो रहा है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि रोज एंड कॉलम को वैल्यू असाइन नहीं हुई, ये असाइन होंगी. ओके, दिस इज अवर करंट पोजीशन. let me write this current position. Okay, so now let's see that. ओके, हमारा 0 नहीं आया तो ट्रू, अगर 0 आ गया तो नीचे चेक करते हैं. ओके, सो हमने लूप लगाया फ्रॉम फर्स्ट रो से स्टार्ट करते हुए. हमने देखा अगर हमारा वहाँ पे प्लेस करना सेफ है, मतलब हमने यहाँ पे 1 से 9 तक चेक कर रहे हैं. हम जैसे वी फाउंड अ रो एंड कॉलम पोजीशन, हमें जहाँ 0 मिला वी मार्क दैट रोज एंड वी मार्क दैट रो एंड कॉलम. ओके, एंड we are checking that if on that row and column, if our number I is what, I is 0 to 9, sorry, I is 1 to 9, I is equal to 1 to 9. ठीक है, we are just checking that हमारा उस रो एंड कॉलम में 1 to 9 में से क्या प्लेस हो सकता है. ठीक है, अगर if that number is safe, if that I is safe to fill, if that I is safe to fill in empty position, then we will place that number there in that row and column, and we simply call recursion that we found a number, we place a number in a cell in a box, and we will call recursion, and this function what will do is find the next zeros, find the next zeros, and fill that positions. ठीक है, zeros और empty positions. ठीक है, अगर हमारा एंड इफ अवर सुडोकू इज सॉल्व देन विल रिटर्न ट्रू, एंड अगर हमारा सॉल्व सुडोकू नहीं होता उस टाइम पे देन वी विल मार्क दैट 0 एंड बैक ट्रैक. ओके, अगर वी विल इफ नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व देन रीअसाइन दैट वैल्यू. सो हम जब वापस जाएंगे तो हम 0 करते हुए जाएंगे. ओके, एंड इन द एंड अगर हमारा रिटर्न ट्रू नहीं होता देन at the end we will return false. Okay, so now let us see that what is safe function. Okay, safe function is basically this: we are passing our matrix, row number, column number, and the number we are placing. Okay, so if the number is safe to place in a row, safe to place in a column, safe to place in the box. Okay, okay, that 3 cross 3 box, then we can say that we can place that number and we will return true from that, and if not, then we will return false. Okay, so now let us see one by one these three functions. Is safe row, okay, is is safe row, is safe row basically just means that uh, are we able to place that number which is not coming in the same row. Okay, so we are just traversing the row, and if we found that number in the row already present, then we will return false. That means that we can't place that number in that row. Okay, and if that number is not found in that row, then we will return true. Same with the column, exactly same, just we are checking the column, and we are checking that 3 cross 3 box, individual boxes also. Okay, so um, okay, so let us see that what does is safe box means. Okay, so in this function we are making two variables, top left row and top right row. This basically means that, let me explain to you, if we are filling this position, then we will find our box and we will assign that these two variables are basically the starting point of the box. ठीक है, बॉक्स का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है. रो माइनस रो मॉड 3 मीन्स सपोज दिस रो इज 8, दिस रो इज 7, this row is 7, and this call is also 7. ठीक है, row minus row mod 3 is 7 minus 7 mod 3, that is 6, and we'll get this position row, and by similarly by column we get this column. Okay, so if we are given any position in the box, then we will by this formula we'll find this topmost position, top left position in the box. Okay, so by finding the top left position, we will iterate in the box by this iteration from 0 to 3, 0 to 3, as 3 size of the box is 3 cross 3. So we are traversing in this particular matrix. Okay, and we will check from, this is the starting position of the matrix. You can say that 0, 0. Okay, so from that we are traversing the matrix, and we just check that if that element is found in the box, then we'll return false, else return true. Okay, give a here. Okay, I will also send the code. You can see that. Okay, so यार इतना समझ तुम्हें आ गया होगा जो इस सेफ बॉक्स है. I just explain that, and we will make a final function that is safe, and we will check all three functions. If all three functions are satisfying, then we will return true, else false. Okay, and this statement is basically means that when we are backtracking, we will mark that revisited position as 0 again. Okay, and at the end we are just printing our Sudoku. So I hope you all get it, and please like and subscribe my channel for the upcoming updates. Bye.